In this video, I'm going to give you an overview of the Resident Application homepage. Once you've successfully logged into the app, you'll see a screen similar to this. Although what you see on the screen will depend on the type of devices that you have in your home. If you only have fire and carbon monoxide protection devices from ACO connected to a SmartLink gateway, you'll only see fire and carbon monoxide protection. However, if you have environmental sensors from ACO, you'll see the My Home's Health section instead. In this case, we have both sets of devices within this property. At the top, we have an overview which cycles through the key problems in this home. The problems are color-coded. If they're amber, they're minor, and if they're red, they're major. Anything with a green tick is good and means that we're on target. At the top, we have fire, carbon monoxide, condensation damper mold, and cold homes insights. In this case, we have problems with the fire safety, carbon monoxide safety, and condensation damper mold within this property. I can click on these to get more details about the specific problem. There's also a bell icon that will give me access to any messages that I have within my app. In the fire and carbon monoxide protection section, I can see a safety status overview. By clicking on this, I can get more information. Next, I have whether my alarms are overdue for a button test. In this case, they're 60 days overdue. I can click on this to get some handy hints on how to test my alarms. Finally, for the fire and carbon monoxide protection section, I have the number of alarms for smoke and carbon monoxide that have triggered over the last 30 days. In this case, I have no activations. Next, we have the environmental conditions within my property. We have the current conditions in the Now column and the conditions from the past 7 days on the right hand side. They specifically highlight the worst rooms within your property with the worst problems. So in this case, in the temperature section, all of my rooms for the past 7 days on average and now are in the healthy range. So we have green ticks. I can click on these to get more information. Next, I have humidity. My current humidity is a little high, which is why it's amber, but my past 7 day humidity has been within a healthy range. I can click on the amber icon to get some more information. We have a handy graphic here indicating where the Goldilocks zone is for humidity, between 40 and 60%, to help me work out where I need to get to have a healthy home. I've got some handy tips on what I can do to reduce the humidity within this specific room, as well as some information about why it's important to care about humidity within the property. Finally, we have carbon dioxide levels within the property. So my current levels are fine, but over the last 7 days, they've been a bit high. So let's click on this to get more information. Again, we have a handy graphic indicating what I can do to help reduce these levels within my home, as well as some information about why I should care about carbon dioxide levels within the property. Finally, we have some room level buttons at the bottom that allow me to get room specific views of each area of my home, but we'll cover this in a different video.